The Creo Product Insight extension allows you to take advantage of the IoT by replacing design assumptions with facts. Thanks to an integration between Creo and ThingWorx, the world's leading industrial IoT platform, you can drive changes to your CAD models using real-world data collected from products in the field, and share this information across the organization to drive better design decisions. By creating digital representations of physical sensors and associating them with the corresponding data feeds, you can push field data directly from ThingWorx or a file back into Creo to drive a variety of simulations and analyses. By creating digital representations of physical sensors and associating them with the corresponding data feeds, you can push field data directly from ThingWorx or a file back into Creo to drive a variety of simulations and analyses. The use of real-world product data enables you to validate and optimize your design requirements. Designing smart, connected products unlocks greater value for organizations, and the first step is understanding what data streams you need from the product and how you get them. The Creo Product Insight extension makes this process easier by enabling you to better validate sensor placement and types. You can also simulate data streams, ensuring the data you're collecting from your product is the data you actually want. And once you have the right data, you can use it to better understand usage and improve the quality of current and future products. Imagine being able to identify over and under-engineered parts. You would be able to reduce product costs, remove superfluous features, and decrease warranty and replacement claims. And by constantly analyzing and monitoring products in the field, you can enable colleagues throughout the organization with the right data streams. The Creo Product Insight extension puts the power of the IoT into your designs. Get more value out of your prototypes. Optimize the design of smart connected products. Replace assumptions with facts to create better products.